Good morning. Today is Wonderful Wednesday, March 21st, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Hallett. It's time to get up. All right. So, the thought of the day today is insecurity kills more dreams than failure ever will. And the reason why I wanted to do this is it's something that I've battled with the majority of my professional career. I've spoke with I don't know how many people that deal with the same issue, and that is insecurity in your craft. So I've talked to, I have a friend of mine, a couple friends actually, that are trying to put themselves out as a professional in their field. And not necessarily that they're the guru, but they're wanting to get out there. I got one that's wanting to become a ghostwriter. I got another one that's wanting to become a photographer. And it doesn't matter what it is, but they keep, talking about their insecurities and how, what if I'm not good enough? And what's happening when you do that with yourself inside of your mind, if you continue to have the insecurities and feel like you're not good enough, you'll end up finding that those insecurities will make sure that you never follow through on your dreams. Look, just being 100% honest, if I would have continued to have the insecurity thoughts that I've gave myself, I don't know how long, half the stuff that I've done up until this point wouldn't be good. It would be trash. I probably would have never even released the first book, right? StayBoosted.com, the web design tutorials. There are so many different things that I've done in my life that would not be done currently had I not moved forward to actually put together the steps and step outside of my comfort zone and follow through with the projects. Whether, like I said, whether it's publishing a book, or if you want to be known as the go-to expert in cryptocurrency, whatever the case may be, you have to get past the insecurities and put yourself out there and go ahead and move. It's rather to be ahead of the game and a little wrong than to be right and the time pass you by. So take that into consideration. Focus on the things that will help you grow throughout the day today and every day the rest of your life. And do not let your insecurities ruin your life. That being said, hope everyone has a wonderful Wednesday. Hope you guys are motivated and ready to crush it today. I know I am. But yeah, so be great. Stay boosted. Have yourself a wonderful day. And we'll see you at the top. Have a good one.